Hello, my conquerors. Welcome back to the Power Push-Up Challenge, where we target a different muscle group every time. Today, I decided to come outside to record that workout really close to the Griffith Observatory here in Hollywood. We're going to be toning a hard-to-reach area, the side chest. And to do that, we're going to be doing the Crucifix push-up. And to match today's workout, our word is going to be fear conqueror. I am a fear conqueror. I overcome fears and doubts with confidence and determination. Can you say it with me? I overcome fears and doubts with confidence and determination. I am a fear conqueror. And here are your guidelines. Grab something to drink. If you feel any discomfort on your wrist, wear your gloves. I will not be wearing mine today because I find the Crucifix push-up to be a lot easier on my wrist. But if you feel any discomfort at any moment, please wear those gloves. If you haven't bought yours, I am linking it down below. I have the ones with finger support and with no finger support. Whatever you like. And bring me the best energy. Try to have fun. Try to focus on what you're doing and do your very best. Are you ready?
Let's do this together. You can do the supported version. Extend your arms straight out to the sides, parallel to the floor so that your body resembles a T shape. Slowly lower your body down by bending your elbows, keeping your arms extended out to the sides. Lower your body until your chest is just above the ground, maintaining the T shape with your arms. Push through your palms and extend your arms, raising your body back up to the starting position. Now let's go for those 8 to 12 repetitions. Do your best. Stretch, get a sip of water.
Are you an actress or singer or something? Are you an actress or model or something?
I record workouts. I record workouts.
That was random. All right, let's go for our second round. Make sure that your alignment gets ready. Let's go.
Way to go, everybody. We did it again. That was awesome. Remember, tomorrow you're gonna add one more set, 3 sets, and after tomorrow you're gonna do a total of 4 sets, and I'll see you in the following day when we're gonna be targeting a different muscle group in our 30-day push-up challenge. Who remembers the word? I am a fear conqueror. I overcome fears and doubts with confidence and determination. Do your best. Always do your best, and ring the bell, subscribe. Adios. Bye. I overcome fears and doubts with what? With confidence and determination. Okay.